Ivan Joličić. He is the CEO of Balkan crypto exchange, or BCX.rs. This is one of the first automated crypto exchanges in the former Yugoslavian region. And if I'm not mistaken, you're operating in Serbia and Bosnia and Herzegovina at the current time.
Yeah, at the moment we do operate in Bosnia, and since a year ago we do operate in Serbia as well.
In Serbia as well. That's very good to hear. I will give you now, the stage is yours practically, so let me not keep you any longer.
Okay, thank you very much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ivan Joličić. At the moment I work as CEO at BCX.rs crypto exchange in Serbia. And before I start any speech about the business I do at the moment, maybe I should just say a few words about the potential of this brand new industry for Serbia and for Balkans overall. The very first time I started to think about involving myself in blockchain, FinTech, and crypto industry, I saw the big potential such a technology have and its impact it could have on our people, on the population in our country. So I thought this might be a real good opportunity for the whole, let's call it high-tech society here in Serbia and countries nearby, and a chance we can measure ourselves with such societies from far richer countries like Western countries, like Asian countries, like I guess you got my meaning. And people from Serbia and from region, they often blame former wars, politics, bad luck for their failures and their bad economic position, which is partly true. Of course, we unfortunately we did have such kind of things which were disabling us from reaching our potential. But now we have absolutely new technology, which is absolutely unknown for more than 95% of people worldwide. This is not new technology only for our people. This is worldwide new technology. So, and we always say for our people, we are genius, right? We are all Nikola Tesla. So okay, this is the big potential. We are now equal with the high-tech societies around the world, and there is no excuses. We can now prove to ourselves and to others that we are worth and that we can do great things. And if we just remember, if we just start thinking Nikola Tesla, Mihailo Pupin, I see here some foreign participants. So these people who change the world are from here. We have potential, and why I think we have potential with developing blockchain technology. As you know, we all know there are so many IT projects being developed in Serbia and especially in Serbia, but also in the countries nearby at the moment. So we have workforce. Okay, so if we have workforce, if great companies are having their offices in our country, and maybe, just maybe, is it possible that we attract these coders, which are good, otherwise they wouldn't work for big companies. Check a bit about Solidity, for example, Ethereum Java language, and please don't tell me that Java coder doing, for example, Node.js. Okay, Node.js is well paid programming language, but don't tell me that for example someone start do smart contracts built on Ethereum and other crypto projects, tell me working hour for price for working hour for smart contract developer. I doubt it's 10 euro, 20 or even 50 euro. I think it's far more, and that's why I see potential in blockchain. It's new. We have human force, so let's try to engage this human force and make some good things in this brand new technology. And no one to blame if we don't succeed, right? And of course, it's not all about coders who know Java or similar hard coding languages. There are so many projects allowing using blockchain technology via simple API calls, such as Ravencoin, for example. You know, you not need to know practically anything about blockchain and can use blockchain technology. So this, for me, all of us from crypto community, from here, we need to teach people to use the newest technology and to work for big money. Okay, I know lots of coders are perfectly happy at the moment. They work for a big company, they have big salary for our standard, and that's good. But why don't do it a bit better, a bit more? Okay, Nicola, can you please just allow me share the screen so I can show our website and Nicola, one moment. Okay, Nicola seems to have coffee break and I cannot share screen. Okay, never mind. Let's go to real business. Let me introduce you with BCX project. BCX project idea is founded by various kind of people. It's business leaders, it's IT coders, it's bank managers, etc. I think this is our biggest potential. Is we have so many people from various industries. So our roadmap is following. Stage 1, exchange fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat. This stage 1 is done, fully operational, and works like charm, like coders like to say. And it's working in Bosnia since 2018 and in Serbia since 2019. So we have fully operational crypto exchange, and people can enter fiat, enter crypto with dinars. It's local currency, and they can exit crypto in dinars. So stage 2. Stage 2 is adding pairs, fiat to crypto, and finally crypto to crypto. It's done, and beta is already available at bcx.ba. It's a Bosnian branch of our company. And this update should be added to bcx.rs by January 2021. This is update enabling bcx.rs offers not only crypto fiat service but real exchange model. This update will gather offers from stakers from Serbia, from Bosnia. We plan sure to in the short time we plan to open Montenegro, Macedonia, and maybe some other countries. So, for example, if you give order to sell or to buy some crypto from Bosnia, users on exchanges in Serbia and Macedonia and Montenegro will see this order and can sell or buy from you, no matter which country you are. And of course, we have stage 3. Stage 3 is bridge between the standard financial system via mobile application. At the moment, February or March 2021 should be ETA. So this update will enable our users use mobile application for any crypto to crypto payment, of course, and eventually fiat to fiat payment. So we will have 2-in-1. We will have digital, local currency digital wallet with crypto wallet 2-in-1. So I think it's pretty much cool. So payment processing, everyday usage, digital payment enabled via blockchain technology, all via blockchain technology, via standard financial system, of course, and via crypto as well. So integrated traditional banking system, crypto, all via blockchain technology, same ecosystem. That's how we see this. And of course, BCX project we will do our best to list some local coins. There is already couple communities from former Yugoslavia which started their own tokens, and we think that such projects deserve the chance, and we will do our best to list regional coins and local coins to our exchange as soon as we can. Okay, I think this is fine enough for the start. Thank you very much for listening, and that's it. Nicola seems to be on coffee break still.
Yes, I'm here. I just need a second to unmute myself, and we have some other participants joining, so I had to accept them as well. Well, first and foremost, are there any questions from the audience? You can actually ask in the chat before I start asking questions.
No question, as I can see. Maybe just if you can give me a few more minutes.
Yeah, sure.
And the possibility to share my screen.
So, of course, I was actually expecting you to share your screen for a presentation. So can you share?
1 moment, let me check. No, I tried that a few minutes ago, but it's not enabled.
Try again.
It is enabled now.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just show you our YouTube channel. Here we did some, let's say, dummy manual, so people even not introduced with any kind of exchanges can easily register and can see how can easily register and participate. Okay, this is our main web page for Serbia market. It's pretty much easy to register, and I think maybe it's stupid to waste more time to our users, so we can check on our YouTube channel. Also, we can see here these 3 stages of our project. This one is done, this one is done, but still not available at Serbia platform. This will be available in next couple months for sure in Serbia market as well, and BCX payment soon. This is I already spoke about. Okay, I think this should be enough from my side, and I guess you have more people who are ready to say some interesting things.
I have a question actually.
Okay.
Since Serbian Digital Securities Act has been drafted, and we expect it to be introduced into the main legislature in the following period. Has that actually impacted your operations in a good way, in a bad way? Are you actually satisfied with the draft, or I mean, I'm interested to hear your comment.
Well, this draft is so good that I still cannot believe that we will get such modern law in our country. It's, for me, this is still a dream, and this will give big chance and big opportunity for people from Serbia to participate into blockchain and crypto world at great way. You know, you will have possibilities to do blockchain technology absolutely legal. I think this law will attract lots of famous projects, crypto projects, to move their office to Serbia. I think lots of young people will get well-paid job by working for the representatives of big crypto projects. So for me, this is still, I cannot believe that Serbia will have maybe the best law in Europe, and for considering our business, it's just regulated. You know, it's not. I still cannot see any problems with the new law. It can do any damage to our project. So it's perfectly fine.
Mm-hmm. And also, since certain exchanges in the Western countries are offering ICOs to be conducted via their platforms, do you plan to, when of course regulations allow it, but this law, I think it will certainly do, do you actually plan to offer that sort of service? So if, for example, I want to do an ICO, I can actually do it via your exchange. Do you actually have plans for that?
Well, we have such plans, but I'm not sure when we will be in possibility to offer such services. But of course, it's in the plan.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we can expect that in a certain point in future.
We will do our best. It's not small job, you know.
Of course, I mean it's mostly regulative. When it comes to regulations, you really need to be safe on every possible every dot of the contract needs to be covered, because if you do something, if you make a mistake, it can be quite costly.
Yes, but I doubt that the lawman will do some severe punishments at the very beginning, as you know, this is all new for all of us, and I really doubt that some mistakes can be catastrophic, at least for the beginning.
Also, what is the situation in Bosnia? I mean, I don't think that they have some regulations still in place yet.
No, the only regulation, if we can call that regulation, in Bosnia, in Montenegro, and countries nearby are that anti-money law, 2019.
Anti-money laundering.
Yeah, so the government just recognized crypto, and that's all. So I doubt that the countries from the region can catch Serbia and do it as fast as Serbia already did. So, you know, draft is almost done. This law is draft, but it's almost done.
Yeah.
And all other countries, they didn't even start to do this. So.
Yeah, but when it comes to regulations, actually, the practice of former Yugoslavian republics is that as soon as one republic does a certain law about something that is actually very well written, they just actually copy paste it and just adjust several things that they think that best applies to them. Well, I mean, we've seen it in other areas when it comes to various regulations, especially joining the EU, all the chapters. I mean, everything is just copy paste from one state to the other.
Yeah, but look, I spoke with many people from former Yugoslavia, and there is in draft there is one catch, and this catch says banks cannot do crypto in Serbia, and I'm not sure that other countries will follow Serbia regarding this thing. You know, disabling banks from doing all these jobs is great for us, for BCX.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure that other countries will follow that kind of regulation.
Well, I mean, that's the part of the law that, I mean, they can change anything they want. So every country can adapt to its needs. So
yeah, it's same language for the whole region. So
yeah, so it's like, of course.
It can be done easily, but still, it would be like 2 years. You know, I doubt that any country can make such law sooner than 2 years. So
well, it's one thing to draft a law, but actually there's a whole infrastructure that needs to be prepared for its implementation, because actually you need people who actually know what they're doing. And we've seen I mean, in Serbia there were examples where there were actually a lot of different from state inspections, financial institutions who didn't knew actually what crypto is, what tokens are, what is an ICO, and they just assumed that people made millions, but in reality they had like tokens which are worth, like, they have 500,000 tokens which are worth $10 after the ICO failed. But if people do not understand how things work, it's actually, so the biggest job will be to actually educate the people on how certain things actually work. So that will take most of the time. Drafting the law, I think, is the smallest issue of that problem. So it's a foundation.
I agree, but I have pretty much experience with financial inspections from Serbia, and trust me, they after they visit our company, they know better than we do what do we do. So I doubt they will have problem to adapt with crypto.
Yes. Okay.